Hello everyone, we are here to make another video for the sound and are you ready? Let's go. Oh yeah. Alright everyone, so if you saw, both sounds have your tongue and teeth doing the same thing. You stick out your tongue and smile. All right, so the first sound, you're going to vibrate your tongue. All right, and the second sound, super duper easy. You're going to stick out your tongue, smile. All right, and you're just going to blow air. Are you ready? Let's do some chants. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ready. 3, 2, 1. The. Oh, yeah. All right, let me get some different friends to help you along. All right, let's go. Next one. 3, 2, 1. The. Oh, yeah. All right, chat number 3. 3, 2, 1. The. Oh, yeah. All right, chat number 4. 3, 2, 1. The. Oh, yeah. All right, chat number 5. Are you ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. The. Oh, yeah. Woo. All right, now I'm back. All right, the next sound is, now we're just blowing air. Again. All right, this is super duper easy. Just concentrate on what you're doing with your tongue and your mouth. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Fa. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm back. Next one. Fe. Oh, yeah. Hi. All right, next one. 3, 2, 1. Fe. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's me. New one. All right. Next one. 3, 2, 1. Tha. Oh, yeah. Woo. Hey, how's it going? Last one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Th. Oh, yeah. All right, everyone. Great job. Okay, so why don't you get your favorite mask on and send me a video of you doing this chant. Fa. Fe. Thi. Tha. Oh, yeah. All right, that's with a th sound. And send me another video. The. The. Oh, yeah. Let's have some fun. See you later. Oh, yeah.